Hello, thank you for watching Montessori Lesson Channel. Today I will be showing you how to use the red rods. The first step is to show the child how to carry the red rods from the stand to the work mat by carrying the 4 small rods by carrying it with both hands, one hand on each end. The longer rods are carried from the middle and bottom from the front part with both hands. Place the rods in random order and build a stair from longest to shortest. Find the next longest rod the same way and place it under the first longest rod, with the ends touching each other. Find the next rod the same way. After the stair is complete, look at the stair from all angles with the child. The second part of this activity is to take every other rod out one at a time and have the child close their eyes and have them guess which rod is removed. The third part of this activity is to place the longest rod and the second longest at the very top and find the one that fits into the gap. The bottom rod is equal to the same length for either side. Next, I would also like to show homemade red rods that can be easily made using cardstock paper. The length for the shortest rod is 10 cm long. The second rod is 20 cm long. The third rod is 30 cm long. The fourth rod is 40 cm long. Each rod goes up by 10 cm long in length. The longest rod is 100 cm long, which equals to 1 meter long. The purpose of this activity is to teach the child about length. This ends my video for today. Please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you for watching.